Artificial intelligence and manufacturing are a perfect fit because in manufacturing we tend to produce many identical parts and products which generates huge amounts of data, which in turn can then be fed into the artificial intelligence algorithms and thereby help them to learn, improve, identify problems and process optimizations. Currently, there are many projects, experiments going on in the manufacturing sector, and of course, one of the areas where you see this a lot is the automotive sector. We talk about matrix production systems, where basically we do not have anymore the typical century-old linear production system, production line. Instead, we have basically the products, the cars in this case, being put onto a pod, and the pod moves through the factory in a way that is optimized for this specific product, especially when you go to products or cars in the high segment where each car is completely different from the next car. And therefore, a linear production sequence doesn't make a lot of sense. So this is not future science fiction, this is happening today already. A perfect example of the use of artificial intelligence in manufacturing are robotics. Right now, you need about 2 weeks of highly paid engineers to optimize the robots so that they can really do what they need to do. In the future, we'll have robots that do this by themselves. They will see how, let's say, the welding points are done, compare it to what they should be doing, and then learn and improve. There will be perhaps one engineer to overlook all of this, but the robots will learn by themselves using artificial intelligence.